배우는 미마다다 효대 대내기 토로 동네 진입에서 카지기 가르쳐고 열었으나 도지 효대 대내기 맞대서 세배나 득바이 말 편야 열었으나 시에
In Tibet, many of Dalai Lama followers said killing Doji Shukin people is not a sin, actually it's merit. That's why they're targeting Doji Shukin people for many occasions.
그가는 멀어 돈을 제도에라 효대 대내기 멀어 마탄의 효대 대내기 생시에 바주도라 그가는 저도 야요라 대소인 줄을 카는 이야 또 바주도 엄마도 저기 알아라고 저도 도자를 어떻게 대 효대 대내기
And even they attacked the livestock. The people, let's say yak or female yaks or goat, any cows belongs to Doji Shukin people, and they cutting their tails off or hitting rock on the horn, knocking out, and even animal or farm stock, livestock is called, right? They'll be harassed and beaten up by the Dalai Lama people.
드네체는 강아마 어디 퇴어야 대신데 이 강아도 퇴는다 로조지 차용이야 드네체는 드네가서 다다 다 아메리카에 드네체 마주자서 대선원에 메마제서 기 니토지 합법이나 달라만 드네마제 드네체야 되게 lov다지 되게 서는 아주 제발 좀 sit.
We really had to do this, especially we living in the United States or democracy country. We must public educate. Hopefully, there when public pressure with Dalai Lama will stop persecution and segregation of this religion.
드네 기대 등주기 주토기 내가 제사의 용도들 용부 추천에 다 이양이 토니 거래 이게 자유라라 당와기 토니 들이지는 그래도 까지 땅
There's by the word and the letter, both way they also the Jesuit people banned to Indian a lot of service in a lot of places.
드네 상사 드네 니토 지니
가와는 도치로 말하려고. 가와도 좀.
로마주도 다 벤주콘 그런바노 드네 쇼게를 공카 내가 너 얘기 드네 사홍 송홍 다치 주토게 그거에 제 처음에 다 자가기 사찰에 막 대비는 좀 좋아.
In India, they banned entrance to public libraries, health clinics, and restaurant and shop. They all put up letters say if you practice Doji Shukin, not allowed to enter, and also monasteries. They Tibetans only have to go. Had to do is had to go to only Indian business, but not allowed to do Tibetan business each other.
대차바리 드네 니토 제니 고톤 다다 세라톤 가데니 거 같은 것에 전 다다 드미니 차요라.
And in 2008, we had to split the monastery. So there's a Gandhian monastery and Sera monastery now separated, and there's built big Berlin Wall between it.
대체도 드네치 다다 니토트는 뭐부지 지엔치는 당아도 당아트는 뭐부지 체대를 그래서 대인지 대체 만소다 종대다 다시 드네가 아니 처음하게 드네 된 쳔바노나 드네 달래라마다 대시 라다세도나레 암베거스거나레 아타리는 다시 드네 마제시아지 다시 동로지에서 달래로지
finally there's people who freedom lovers and truth lovers and people who respect all humanity. We wish they advise Dalai Lama to not to do this or to urge him to stop persecution. So that's why we're doing the protest.
그래서 건설에서는 아주 가시서 쓰고야 돼. 아주 뭐 뭐야. 배우는 다 동틀로 가발 때문에 난 마음만 비어도 맞아서 그 동사하기 착하기 뭐.
We not all this. We not for the couple thousand or couple thousand people. We talking about the hundreds of thousands of Tibetans are suffering to do this. So it's we not just a few people. It's a lot of people, especially in Tibet.
아, 두가 되고요. 대체로 메모 대체로 도와다니 기 달라만 드린 마디선 참아는 벽이 좋지.
So for the all cost for all the Tibetans, which is many of them are suffering as a result of the Lama's ban out of this.
我最近每年呢，大体我做的外面他都的确定了哇，今朝来面貌绝了往边个他都定我做了，今忙我办的我最近呢参与到你的接触嘛的。
So we never will stop working hard and until we receive freedom of religion and freedom of practice what we wish. Chirang shenda ki thola samsi sinamandu, kangin sinamandu, jana shunga pho shung kunda pho paru ki samsi ki hiya iwas.
他这个大家看着这开始，大家身边他老么不是掐上写个月的，等呢看出你掐个做加拿大百年的包容了，给这些年是那么重视过去。
They come, it's a long time now, but recently what changed was they selected 6 people they said, a peaceful talking between the Chinese and Tibet.
第呢，看着看是个是呢，比如以前咱们才这个工作人员，等你慢慢把你这个头给这些人些年意思。
He also said they are the 6 people that represent from 6 million all Tibetans to future they will decide by these 6 people to negotiate negotiation with the Chinese government.
等于人家看你接到对方了，看到他那个我从面貌的做的啥些的结来。
I already that issue I already explained in Canada to once already.
等于刚这个呢，我从等于去当刚这个头呢，他都等着在这没事呢，慢慢帮我不就嘛比。
Dalai Lama kicked out hundreds of thousands of Tibetans and segregated, and they said we have nothing allowed to do with their people.
这里的基本上是做谁啊？这个不用做给，纯粹谁啊？的，接这个嘛的啦，接那个他动也嘛的，嘛这个我这都不能买。
So we cannot accept after we being segregated, ostracized, and we cannot accept these 6 people represent us anymore.
啊，等于的我是等于大大那种的这个呢，等于就从那他都等着在没别个他呢嘛比，等于比样的，等于第比样呢个么的个，我这个嘛把跟着那大个是那，等于这个是这个那玩那个嘛的。
It's how he can even basically think of this. For example, he ostracized us and segregate and banned even intern in the society. Now one face goes to Chinese government, said, "Oh, we representing all Tibet." There is a really pathetic. What word we use? As hypocrites. So we cannot accept, or they cannot decide our future. They not represent us.
啊，等于这样做起，等于等我那个人啦，这大大人那个人，就那样等我做起，这是大大我那些当年学这个嘛的。
I already explained in the past. In the future, they're not going to represent us anymore.
啊，对，真的，真的，